Narcissus Garden is a monumentally scaled installation by Japanese contemporary artist Yayoi Kusama. The intention behind the work is to invite the viewer in, to sort of envelop the viewer in the installation. So we encourage viewers to come in, to traverse the pathways that we've set out with the installation. It's comprised of almost 1,200 stainless steel reflective spheres. So there's going to be moments of reflection in there, and that's where the Narcissus aspect of the title comes in. I think with an installation like this, it's a little bit more like being out in the park. You're kind of one with the space. So you're here, you're in the trails and you're looking at the artwork and you're really seeing that meeting point of art and nature. And I think with an installation like this, it does the same thing. There's an interaction there. And I think inviting our visitors into an environment where they can sort of get lost in these pieces, feeling very, vital, but also insignificant at the same time, reflect what's on the outside. So you're seeing yourself, but you're also seeing the environment in your surroundings as well. Kusama was born in Japan in a rural town, Matsumoto, and she began painting when she was 10 years old. And she, at that time, was experiencing hallucinations. And she described it as these almost enveloping dots and lights. And I think that motif of the dot has kind of come through her work to now. She's now working in her 90s and she continues to use that motif and that symbol of the dot in her work. She also describes this use of the dot as a way to manage anxiety and overcome fear. She was really interested in the restaging of the self-obliteration and just kind of getting lost in those dots. And in a way, Narcissus Garden reflects that same idea, where you've got this series of mirrored balls where you can really get lost in it. So in a way, it's kind of how she felt about some of her early paintings that she had made when she moved to New York. She is probably one of the biggest artists in the world right now. She's a very significant, celebrated artist.